Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can swap from USDT to TON on Tonkeeper wallet. So let's begin. For that, first of all, you'll have to open your Tonkeeper wallet and you will be redirected to the wallet homepage. After that, you'll have to click on the swap icon over here, and then you can be able to see that there is TON written here and USDT written over here. So you can just click on TON and you can select any of the option from which you wish to convert. For example, if I wish to convert from USDT, so I'm just going to click on USDT, and here you can select a receiving account. For example, if you wish to convert from USDT to TON, so you select TON here, and you can even just click on this swap button and by which you can swap it. So now here, write down the amount. For example, if you're writing 200 USDT, it will calculate it as 38.152 TON. And here is the transaction per 1 USDT. So 1 USDT is approximate to 0.1907 and etc. TON. So price impact is less than 0.01%. So price impact is basically a difference between the market price and estimated price due to trade size. Then minimum received is 37.7705. So minimum received is your transaction will revert if there is a large unfavorable price movement before it is confirmed. And then liquidity provider fee, which is basically a portion of each trade goes to liquidity provider as a protocol incentive. And then blockchain fees is this much and root is from USDT to TON. So if you do have the balance, I don't have that much balance in order to convert. If you do have, then here it would be written an option convert, and you can just click on that. So that was basically how you can convert from USDT to TON on Tonkeeper wallet. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.